Foshan Guangdong New Energy Company Limited has been committed to the development, production, marketing of air source heat pumps since founded in 2003. Our products include residential heating heat pump, sanitary hot water heat pump, swimming pool heat pump, and water chiller. Guangdong Company is a member of China Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Industry Association and Energy Conservation Association. We are the strategic partnership of Emerson and Grundfos. Our factory locates in Foshan, China, where it's nearby Guangzhou Port and Hong Kong Port. With over 4,000 square meters workshop and 2,000 square meters warehouse, modern production lines, experienced management and development teams. We carry out ISO 9001 quality control system, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001 management system, ensure providing the stable quality products and service to our customers. Precision manufacturing is an important factor that we keep developing in a competitive market. We not only have our own brand, Guangdong, but also OEM and ODM for our customers. Our partners throughout Europe, South America, Africa, Middle East, Southeast Asia. Most of our products are compliant with CE and CB certificates issued by TUV, also got national patents. Please contact with us. We are looking forward for our cooperation.